Hey guys, this is Chip from over at Total Motion Physical Therapy. I wanted to let you know, those of you who have been waiting for this for the last several years, and we kept telling you that it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Well, we finally are here. So we've launched this several weeks ago here in the clinic. Our tool, we've now broken down Total Motion Release into kindergarten through college levels, as we call it. Breaks it down into a format that can be used either on the internet, or you can use it on your smartphone or a tablet or any place you have access to. Basically, internet is good. Breaks down to the different levels of skill with pictures and video clips and steps on how to do it, how to walk through that from the simplest version all the way through the fanciest version. Now, what we're offering here is something that's only available to two groups of people. It's going to be people who completed their time in therapy somewhere in the past, or those who are actively in the clinic right now, seeking therapy, and they'd like to be able to get this access at home or on the phone or wherever else they might be. So if you're someone who's interested in this, I want you to email me as soon as you finish watching this video clip and reading this email I just sent you here. Email me back, and I want two things on that email. One is let me know how you're feeling, especially for those of you guys who I haven't seen in quite some time. And the other is let me know again if you're interested in what we're looking at here, and I'll kind of walk you through all the details of what it means to how to rent it, the cost, how to go about doing it, how long you have access to all that stuff. I can walk you all through that stuff is perfectly fine. Also, another exciting thing for us doing this here in the clinic, we now have, because of this, these are now things that the clinics around the country we've trained up a lot of therapists in. Remember, we've trained a little over 3,000 therapists now nationally and internationally on our tool. They can now access the exact same kindergarten through college thing that we set up here, that we're doing here in this clinic. So for the first time, we're going to have really nice consistency on our tool, not only in our office between what you can do at home, but also with people all around the country. So just know you're part of the alpha site that created these things. But again, as soon as you finish watching this little video clip, send me a quick sentence or two. Let me know how you've been feeling. Let me know if you're interested in accessing to rent the online tool. And I'll email you back and show you how it's doing. But it's great to catch up with you, and we're pumped. We made it. We got here.